Hello everyone. So this is going to be the radar. This is going to be one of our ongoing projects. Oh, and Lola. Hi Lola. This is the cordwood building. I got a couple videos of it. I'm not sure what order you guys are going to see them in. But yeah, this is going to be a super long-term project, but make this one now and you can see what I'm doing with it. You can see it's completely destroyed. Water's gotten into it. That whole back corner's gone, which I'm guessing won't even last the winter. And yeah, the inside's not much better, and I have to make that wall. That's another video that you guys will be seeing, and again, I don't know what order you'll see them in, but today's little ditty will be trying to get some of, which is apparently a roof. So basically I'm just gonna garden rake it and we'll see what happens. Thanks guys. 1800s and this little tiny building. No plumbing, no toilet. Well, they had an outhouse, but that was about it. But here, I'll give you there's a